So Mirza is doing that, and उसके बाद we will go.
AEIOU का मतलब हमारा ऐप का नाम है डिटॉक्स में।
We will make sure with this application we are doing everything on time. So this is a simple idea.
It's a dumb but block external.
Basically, as today, as in today's date, we all know that everyone is suffering from health.
Hey guys, welcome back to new video. और आज हम जा रहे हैं प्रेजेंटेशन देने। बेसिकली हम सबको एक एक टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करना था, प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट, उसी पे हमें उसका सॉल्यूशन बनाना था। तो हमारा टॉपिक था मोबाइल एडिक्शन। उसी पे हमने पीपीटी बनाया है, प्रोटोटाइप एक मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन बनाया है और बहुत सारे चार्ट पेपर्स भी हैं। एनीथिंग यू वांट टू एल्स?
चलो।
एंड गाइज अभी ब्लॉक 45 में जा रहे हैं, उधर ही हमारा प्रेजेंटेशन है। A to F सेक्शन का है और दिमाग ख़राब हो गया था कल रात में। किसी तरह से हमने प्रोटोटाइप चार्ट पेपर वगैरह हर चीज़ बनाया एंड डालते हैं, देखते हैं क्या क्या प्रेजेंटेशन में होता है, क्या क्या करवाते हैं वो। सी यू देयर। बोलेंगे तो सर यूजर के बारे में ये बताएं, इसमें हम ये ऐप बना रहे हैं। Guys, Mirza is going to explain this.
मैंने ये बनाया AEIOU। हमारा टॉपिक है मोबाइल एडिक्शन। तो इसका AEIOU का मतलब एक्टिविटी, इंटरटेनमेंट, इंटरेक्शन, ऑब्जेक्ट, यूजर्स। तो एक्टिविटी हमारा पढ़ता है हाउ सोशल मीडिया स्क्रॉलिंग, वाचिंग वीडियोस, गेमिंग एक्सेट्रा। एंड इन्वायरमेंट में पढ़ता है सोशल सेटिंग्स, फोन।
ओके, वो मैं समझ गया। अब ये बताओ, ये पीपीटी बताइए, ये क्या है? फीचर्स बताओ एप्लीकेशंस के।
फीचर्स वगैरह इसमें हमारा ऐप का नाम है डिटॉक्स में। इस ऐप का होम पेज है। इसके बाद हमको इसको लॉगिन करना है। लॉगिन करने के बाद हमको इसको जो हमको इसको एडवांटेज है वो है टाइम। हम एक टाइम टेबल सेट कर सकते हैं। इसमें हम एक एग्जांपल में इंस्टाग्राम हम कितने टाइम में यूज करेंगे वो है। इसके बाद जो एक्स्ट्रा टाइम हो जाएगा उसके बाद वो 4-5 बार रिमाइंडर देगा। रिमाइंडर से वो काम नहीं करेगी, फिर वो ऑटोमेटिकली ब्लॉक हो जाएगी उस टाइम के लिए। फिर वो जो 24 आवर्स का भी होता है, 12 आवर्स का भी होता है। तो इसके बाद फिर हमको हमारा डेली रूटीन का जो इंस्टाग्राम यूज करना है वो आ जाएगी। उसके बाद वो यूज करने के बाद फिर हमारा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम हो जाएगी तो फिर उसका ब्लॉक हो जाएगी। ऐसे करके हम हमारा जो एक एडिक्शन है इंस्टाग्राम रील्स वगैरह वीडियोस मोबाइल के ये वो थोड़ा कम हो सकते हैं। ये यूजर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, यूजर कैसे यूज करेगा इसके ऊपर।
और ये आइडिया तुमको कैसा है मोबाइल एडिक्शन का? तुमने खुद से, तुम्हारा एडिक्शन खुद का था या किसी और को देख के?
नहीं, कुछ ये चूज करे तो हम लोग ही है। लेकिन टॉपिक वाइज सार दे रखा था, उस पे हम चूज कर रहे हैं।
तो तुम मोबाइल एडिक्ट हो? मोबाइल ज्यादा यूज करती हो?
मैं एडिक्ट थोड़ी हूँ। मैं अभी स्नैप ज्यादा यूज कर रही हूँ। मेरा उसमें टाइम लिमिट होना चाहिए।
और ज्यादा चाहिए
ना, टाइम लिमिट करना है,
यूसेज कम करना है।
हाँ यूज कम करना है। ठीक है,
ओके, थैंक यू मिर्जा, डेट्स इट। और गाइस ये थी मिर्जा फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश और ये थी मेरे टीममेट। इसी का आइडिया था मोबाइल एडिक्शन। दैट्स इट गाइस, थैंक यू। वन गुड। Yes, making a problem, discussing a problem, which is a mobile addiction. So, sir, generally, nowadays, 90% people are mobile addicted. So, we are providing solution for that. So, basically, we have built an application. We have also built a prototype. This is just a working prototype. Front-end working. So, this is an application with features like blocking your social media application, limiting your screen time, tracking your app usage throughout your phone. This is just extra layer to your phone. When you will install this application to your phone, it will ask a lot of permission, and then only it will work. These solutions are already existing in market, but we are just adding extra one or two features to existing solutions. Like here we have this digital habit, means we often spend our time with mobile. So with the help of mobile only, we can build some digital habits. Like suppose I want to build a habit of doing my Udemy course daily 1 hour 2 hour. So we can build with this application. We will make sure with this application we are doing everything on time. So
how you can reduce the screen time as well.
yeah.
If you provide some alternative
Yeah,
solution, then
yeah.
how you can reduce the screen time as well.
So suppose you are scrolling on Instagram for many hours, so it will remind you 3 to 4 times. After 3 to 4 times, it will block your application. It won't be able to run your Instagram. It will totally block your application. Yeah.
It's already exists.
This feature is already existing, but the feature that I've discussed for habit tracking and all, digital habit making and all, we are adding just one or two extra features to existing solutions.
Application will block and what's it called?
No, that utility software it won't block. The social media application.
Social media application. WhatsApp is social media.
Yeah,
application,
but
Instagram is social media. Facebook is social media.
Yeah.
So in the important call, you can also your application will also damage or your block the call.
you can set priority here. We will go deep in those process. We will figure out. We will categorize those things. Then we will go deep. It's just a prototype. Yeah, working prototype. Thank you, sir. Guys, तो अभी तक रुको ना, वीडियो बना रहे ना। अरे so guys, अभी तक आपको पता चल गया होगा. So guys, let's talk about our idea. This is simple idea. The solution we are working on already in the market, but we are just adding one or two more features to existing solution. Our app name is Detox Me. To control your screen time, to control your app usage, we are building this application, and we are not inventing wheel again. It's just some one or two extra layers, one or two extra features on existing solutions. What this app will do, this app will ask a lot of permissions to take control of a phone, and it will try to prohibit your mobile social media consumptions and all. It will remind 3 to 4 reminders. After that, it will block you. And also, one main feature is that digital habits. We often used to consume a lot of courses, online courses, and on doing those things, we often get distracted by notifications and all, by watching reels and all. See, this section, digital habit section, is going to be main USP of our application.
ये हमारा ये जो है
हाँ,
कल तक हो पाएगा कि नहीं?
हो गया मेरा.
तो ये क्यों लगा के बैठे?
अरे वीडियो बना रहे ना.
अरे भाई सॉरी,
आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग.
कंटेंट चल रहा है तो मेरी भी आई है इसमें
आ जाएगी.
चेयर लेके आनी पड़ेगी.
हाँ. So the main USP is digital habits. यहाँ पे we have बहुत सारे parameters by which we can perform a lot of operations. So that's it. This is my idea. I hope you got it. And the source code of this application will be in the description box. So make sure to check it out and build something of your own. Thank you. Hello, bro.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, bro.
Fine.
What about your project?
Very nice, very nice.
Sit here. So this is our application.
Yes, yes.
बेसिकली ये हमारा ऐप है. तुम्हारे फ़ोन में तुम्हें स्क्रीन टाइप कंट्रोल करने में मदद करेगी, और एक्स्ट्रा रील तुम स्क्रॉल करते हो. ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस हैं ऐप से ऑलरेडी, पर हम बस 1-2 फीचर्स और एक्स्ट्रा ऐड कर दे रहे हैं एग्जिस्टिंग सॉल्यूशंस पे ही.
Different type of solution of this problem, maybe.
Yeah, already there are many solutions.
जैसे example
I have seen, but I am not able to remember. But we are just adding one or two more features with those existing solutions.
Can you explain these features?
See, our main feature of this application is digital habit. Digital habit means, we often consume a lot of video courses on YouTube, on Udemy and other sites as well. But between those courses, we get distracted with many notifications, calls or extra uses and all. So we are restricting those things. We have a lot of operations here.
Yes,
but
yes.
We have a lot of parameters by which we will probe it. We will restrict those things. Okay, go. Okay. So that's it guys. I hope आपको मेरा आइडिया समझ में आ गया होगा. This is just a simple idea. हमें कॉलेज प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बस बनाना था. तो आई थॉट कि जो भी एग्जिस्टिंग सॉल्यूशन है इसके, मोबाइल एडिक्शन हमारा टॉपिक था, तो जो भी एग्जिस्टिंग सॉल्यूशन है इसके उसी पे एक दो फीचर एक्स्ट्रा ऐड कर दो एंड बिल्ड एप्लीकेशन. एंड आई बिल्ड इट. इट टॉक्स मी. Guys, we have Haren and he is showing up.
Okay, my presentation is about isolate domes. It's a dome that block external electromagnetic waves. It helps to reduce stress, help on weakness on technology, and that's all.
Okay, bro. It's a good idea. All the best.
Yeah.
So guys, अंश अपना आइडिया प्रेजेंट करने जा रहा है. So go ahead.
So guys, my name is Ansh Sharma and my partner is
Karthik Singh Yadav. Hello guys.
and we are covering an important topic about psychological problems. Okay. So basically this is the PPT. Okay. Problems, work stress, burnout, relationship, family conflicts, वगैरह, financial stress.
So you are solving a stress problem.
Yeah.
So how?
We are creating an app
Okay.
in which services were easy to use, language option. India is very vast country, so in this app we will try to
Should I continue? So yeah, basically, as today, I think today's date, we all know that everyone is suffering from different psychological problems. So here we are making an app where we are resolving the problems. So basically, the app we are creating, it's easy to use, as many people in this country are not very used to of smartphones. Okay, so it should be easy to use, and as India is a vast country, so we added different language options, so that would be easy and reliable. Yeah. And the more it is, it's self-assessment things. Like there are different quizzes, normal things. Like it would make the app interesting, and people would be more engaged. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And we're adding an AI bot, which would basically analyze the problem, and it's for chat and different purposes. And we are adding gamified mental health activities such as small games like quizzes and all.
Totally will be gamified and
Not totally. That would be a function of games too.
it will be
But if it's basically to analyze what the patient is going through or user is going through. After that, will translate to the professionals. No, where we are having professionals also. And we are offering online chat options and different other options. And if the problem is really major, then we'll give them offline appointments. So it's like offering psychiatrist to do. No, it's easy. It's like today's date we are offering food like Swiggy. Swiggy has made it easy like for the food to come at your door. You don't have to go anywhere. Similarly like that, we are taking psychiatrists to the people. As people are still ashamed to go to psychiatrists, they think that it's not a very big issue or it's an issue to be ashamed of. So it's like that.
So have you consulted with any specialist or doctors?
It's just a base idea.
Okay, it's just idea.
We will.
After this level,
Yeah.
you will go to that.
If it would work, then we will. Sure. Thank
Okay,
you.
bro. It's a good idea.
Thank
All
you.
the best for your future generations.
Thank you.
One eternity later.
मेरा प्रैक्टिकल का कॉपी.
अरे मेरा भी कॉपी दे। ये साला ऐसे में कॉपी देगा?
गाइस एचएमएम का कॉपी चाहिए.
अरे मजाक नहीं।
हाँ भाई.
अरे कहाँ पे ज्यादा
चाहिए. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो गाइज। यही था हमारा प्रेजेंटेशन वगैरह, सारी चीज़ें हो गई और अभी 12 बज रहा है, अभी और क्लासेस बाकी हैं, तो हम जा रहे हैं बाकी क्लासेस के लिए। दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो, आई होप यू एंजॉयड इट। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।